I'm going to do an unboxing, so let's jump into there. So as you can tell, the boxes are really nice, as you can tell. You just pull this tab on the plastic, and that opens up the whole thing, which is, I think, really cool. And here are the beautiful Apple AirPods. So you can already tell the case is a little bit different. You just pull this. Wow, this thing comes off perfectly, this little plastic thing. And here are the AirPods. Wow. They look a little bit funny from the top. Moving on, here is the cord. USB-C, which I think is really nice. Goes to Lightning port. And here are the different sizes for the ends that go on the AirPods. So honestly, guys, using it for only the past, 5 minutes I've used it for, 10 minutes, I already really like them. Best earbuds I have ever used. And why I say that is, first of all, how they fit. They fit really nicely, and they're so light, you do almost not even notice that you're wearing them, especially when you have noise canceling off. You can hear the surroundings, you can hear talking. I mean, it's really nice. I have noise canceling off right now. All you do is you just pinch the side for about 1 second to 2 seconds, really easily. You just pinch the side, and also it'll make this little noise. And now I can hardly hear my surroundings and my voice. Hold it again, and it goes back to bringing in that noise to where it's really easy to hear. Of course, it's not like normal, because it's using that microphone to put it into your ear, so it sounds really nice. So in here in settings, once it connects, you just open it up. Of course, like usual, it will come up, you connect it. Underneath your Bluetooth device, as you can see right here, they have noise canceling, where you can do it right here, noise canceling, or just off, which is just normal, which is just really muffly sound, or transparency, which is that, where you can hear your surroundings. Right here, you can do each one if you want, so you can do the left or the right noise canceling. And also there is this ear tip fit test, which all you do is you tap on it right here. You will continue, make sure they are in your ears tightly, and you will play. Just playing some music right now. And as it says, good seal on both of them, so it means it has the right tip on that earbud, or each earbud, whatever. So you know which one, which I think is really cool. It tests the seal, I guess, so it knows if you have too big of a one or too small of a one, it's not getting a good seal for that noise canceling. Honestly, they're really easy to use. Pinching the side, that's pretty much all. Play, pause, and all you have to do is just say, "Hey Siri," and it will talk to you. Really easy. Really nice. You can read your messages, so you can say, I don't want to say anything because it'll come up. Siri, and read my most recent text, and you don't have to unlock your phone, and it will read it to you, which I think is really nice, because unlocking your phone is kind of annoying. It can be in your back pocket, and really easy. Calls are really easy to do through these, and of course, the sound quality is incredible. I mean, listening to the bass and the clear, crisp, very nice sound. Honestly, just the best quality I've heard in a while. And I mean, it makes sense. They're $250. I mean, they better have some good quality. Okay, moving on to the case. This is wireless charging, which I think is really nice. Just set that on your charger. Or, of course, it has Lightning port to USB-C. The little button on the back here, which will connect, or it will show you what life you have, if it's, dying or whatever. The earbuds kind of fit in kind of odd. They kind of sit in like this, and they're kind of an odd little, I don't know, it's just sitting there. It kind of seems like they should fit in differently. But I mean, it's okay. And they do magnet in really tightly, and it's not going to be falling out. Overall, the case is built very nicely. The other AirPods are kind of built like this because they have longer stems. So this is kind of squished and a little bit shorter as well. Overall, very light and very, very nice feeling. They have these two little metal prongs on the bottom there, as you can tell. And the overall feel of this end is this really, really soft, very nice. It feels like you're not even touching something. And they are really easy to change the tips, which I think is really nice. As you can tell, this has a really big black spot here, and that's actually for letting air and that noise into your ear, so it doesn't feel like you're all clogged up with an earbud. You get that nice airflow. You also get, that's where they pull the sound from, so you can get that nice, crisp sound when you're talking to someone you can hear. The stem here, of course, is really short, and you would pinch that, and it would play or it would switch from noise canceling. Also, something that is really nice is when you put it in, it doesn't do anything, but right when you take it out, it will pause the music automatically. All you have to do is just go and play the music again. But if you're taking it out, it'll pause it. You can talk to someone, or if you for whatever, it's really nice actually. Overall, I think they are incredible, and I don't know if they're worth that $250. I did get them on sale during Black Friday, but honestly, they are, if you're talking about getting these over the other AirPods, these are definitely the place to go. And I mean, they are AirPods Pro, so as you know, the iPhone 11 Pro came out, so it's kind of different, but I think Pro is going there. I think Pro, they're making Pro the best. And I mean, the other ones are cheaper, so if you're kind of like, well, I want to get AirPods, but honestly, I don't like the other ones. I do not like them at all. I mean, how they fit, how everything works, they're just, it's kind of like go to another brand. Honestly, guys, this is incredible. I'll have the link down in the description if you want to go check these out on Amazon. They are out of stock right now and have been out of stock for the past month, so I barely was able to get these. But incredible. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys later.